For 2025, I made a plan for you, how to prepare for your 2025, so that the result will be fruitful. You can plan it. I worked on it, which is practically feasible. You can do it. 2026 separately I will do, but 2025 I made today, who are planning for 2025. So this is what. See, extreme and unwavering focus. Extreme and unwavering focus is the key to success, 100%. Lord Krishna told us, which is followed by Arjuna. Which is followed by Arjuna. What is this? When Arjuna was being asked to target the tree, this individual told, what you are seeing, this person told that I am seeing the bird's eye. That is called as extreme and unwavering focus. That should be there, those who are planning for 2025. How, sir? How we can do that? So listen. First I will tell 5 do's and don'ts. What are the 5 do's and what are the 5 don'ts? Listen very carefully. Number 1, follow PYQs and syllabus. The Bible is previous year's questions and syllabus. It prelims and mains for both of them. Prelims and mains. No need to run here and there. First to do, go with the syllabus, go with the PYQ. Number 2, don't go for elimination technique, which is very negative. 2023, 2024 was dark days for those people who planned elimination. UPSC elimination ko dafa diya tha. Means elimination, we are unable to find the elimination also. UPSC understood. UPSC is also evolving, growing. How students one step ahead. People will think that by elimination methods I can eliminate and I can get a mark. No. Don't go for elimination techniques, such type of techniques. Then what we have to do, I will tell you. Don't go for elimination techniques. Make revision notes for every topic in the syllabus. Finally, it is the content. Finally, it is a subject. Finally, it is the command on the subject will matters. When we go for elimination techniques, if that technique is applicable, then only we will get the mark. If not, we will get negative mark. The danger is what? Negative mark. So rather than getting a mark 50 into 200 marks, when we use elimination technique, the marks are coming down to 60 marks. Negative marks is very, very high. 2023, 2024 experience. So those who are planning for prelims and mains, make a revision notes. Most important to do is make revision notes for every topic in the syllabus, in your general studies as well as in your optional. 4th, do lot of practice, 100%. Practice. Why I will tell you. 3 hours of examination, how much ever you study, in the examination hall, you will remember only those sentences, those headings, those information which you read multiple times, which you written multiple times. So practice and revision is the only key. Who will do more practice, who will do more revision, only those people cracked this examination. That is the truth, blatant truth. So you have to do more practice, you have to do more revision. Depend on limited content. Yes, join good test series also. That is also important. Depend on limited content. Don't read too much. One friend will tell, you read this, few questions came last time, or you read this material, then we will be bombarded. In that process, what will happen? We will not focus on the topics. We will read more without perfection. So what will happen? All questions seems to be no, but all are negatives. Why? Because we read, but we didn't have perfection. UPSC want perfect people. UPSC want perfection. In UPSC interview also, they will ask, if you don't answer, sir, I don't know. I don't know, sir. I don't know how many times I have to tell. Then finally UPSC, okay, fine, very good. You give me one topic on which you are good at. Okay, sir, take this topic. If you answer properly, you will get 170, 180 marks. Yes, at least he is good on the topic which he told. Certainty, clarity is important. In life, what is important? Clarity is important. That UPSC wants. So first thing is, follow PYQs and syllabus. Don't go for elimination techniques for prelims. Third, make revision notes for every topic in the syllabus. Fourth, do lot of practice. Fifth, depend on limited sources. Then, don'ts. Don't go for magic. Magic will happen. I read this, so compulsory magic will happen. Never magic will happen. Focus on content. Read, understand, reread. That's it. Write, analyze, rewrite. That is what. Never magic will happen in any life. There is nothing called as magic. There is nothing called God also. It's a belief. That's it. Everything is empirical. Everything is science. Everything is nature. That's it. If you write, if you remember, if you reproduce, you will get the marks. That's it. There is no magic is going to have. Sir, exam day, head bath, fresh, agarbatti, one new coconut. One of my cousin is there. She won't prepare for any exam. But all exams, all tickets she will put in front of the God. 15 days, Rose Haradi she will do every day. Then when you will study, no, see what you will have. Then result day only she will open it. She will go to the exam center. So magic never happens. First, second. Don't be with negative people, 100%. Negative people will be there. Including me. I should also should not be with negative people. If negative people are there, we will not grow. If you understand a negative person is there who is speaking negatively, run from him. Tell him, take this 100 rupees and go. Never be with negative people. Most toxic people, negative people means toxic people. They impact us. They transform us. They change us. They change the direction of our target. Toxic people and negative people, how much far we are, that much peace we will be with. Third, don't waste time. Time is more precious than money. That is 100% true. Time is more precious than money. Sometimes we fight for money, sometimes with our friends, like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, because we don't have money, no problem. But time is most important. Why? When you fight, you will be disturbed. When you disturb complete day or 2 days, we will lose. So time is very important. Who is using the time judicially, that person will win. Don't join wrong test series. That is also very important. Evaluation is important. Standard is important. Information is important. Content is important. Don't go for rote learning. Never we have to by heart. If you are by hearting, how much we will by heart? How much we will by heart? Once upon a time in India, once upon a time in India, once upon a time in India. Mughal Empire, Mughal Empire, Mughal. It is impossible. Never go for rote learning. These are the don't. Never we should go for rote learning. We cannot remember. What we studied also we will forget when we go for rote learning. So these are the 5 do's and 5 don'ts. Monthly plan, I will tell you. In this, for example, 15th, 16th, optional you do for 20-25 people. GS polity you do. You get the, do means you have to get the, you should master the subject. Do means master. November 2024, 2 subjects, optional and polity. This is my perspective. You can change according to your wish, but I tell optional and polity. Then in the month of December, do your optional, do geography and environment together with ethics. Never underestimate the power of common man. So, the power of ethics and essay. Ethics. Ethics, how much optional is important, that much ethics and essay is important, my dear. People will not study ethics. People will neglect. People will underestimate ethics and essay. That is important. Ethics, essay, optional is enough to get a very good rank. Anyhow, you cleared prelims means you know general studies. That general studies is enough to get 80, 80, 80. So, ethics, geography part and optional part. December. Then January, optional. Economy, big 4. Polity, geography, economy and history, big 4. Proper, command. Essay in the month of January. Start prelims. January onwards, you have to start prelims because clearing prelims is becoming very tough. Now, no need to start any prelims preparation. Start from January 1st freshly. That time is sufficient. Don't delay also. January 1st is the best time to start your prelims preparation. So your economy, your optional, your essay and prelims preparation, beginning of prelims preparation. Then February, optional should be completed. Why, sir? When you complete your optional, if you clear prelims, you will have bombarding confidence. Then do your history, then prelims preparation. Big four completed parallelly: polity, geography, economy and history. March 1st onwards, exclusively prelims. CSAT you should begin. Why? CSAT, it's only qualifying nature. March, April, May is enough for CSAT. Proper timings, daily 3 hours. Compulsory daily 3 hours. Science and technology. Why? Don't read science and technology early, because current affairs you have to cover. Prelims preparation should continue. Then coming to April, CSAT again. CSAT never should be neglected. I know lot of students, lot of rankers also who cleared prelims 120, 130, who are GS, but CSAT they didn't clear. Practice tests, prelims preparation. Practice test should be there. May 1st to May 24th, and the big day is 25th. Quick revision, CSAT, full length tests. Practice is important. The time management you will know. Compulsory you join test series or not, but one thing I will recommend everywhere, wherever you are, for everyone and wherever you are, if you are joining any test series, kindly for prelims, after clearing prelims, for mains, join only offline. Online is not at all recommendable. It can be prelims test series or mains test series. It won't be beneficial. It is not at all useful. Why? Because time management is the key factor. Environment is the key factor. Scratching away the paper after the completion of the time is key factor. This environment, that ecosystem, we have to practice. If you don't practice that ecosystem, you cannot. Then you will go for June. 1 week enjoyment. Enjoy. Then June. Optional writing practice, huge writing practice. If you are clearing prelims, well and good. Any optional. Ethics, revision and practice. Essay, practice. We have to start with optional ethics and essay only. But what will happen? People will start with world history. How many questions? Only one question will come. That too only 10 marker or sometimes 15 marker. That's it. Then July, optional. Ethics should be continued. Essay also should be continued. Then you join with GS, mains, revision and practice tests. This time mains is very quick. It is from August 22nd only. Very, very less time. 80 days you have. June month, July month and August 22nd. Approximately 80 days means 83 days you have. Full length test practice for optional and GS. That is again very important. Practice. August month should be for full length. May month should be for full length. If in this way, if you have an extreme unwavering focus, exam is very easy. UPSC exam is very easy. Why? Because it is only you who should work. It is only you. You are not going to influence others. Then it is tough. It is who you should bend. It is you who should study. It is you who should practice. It's easy or not? When we are not in our control, then who will be under our control? We should be under our control. Exam is easy. When you have a proper plan, when you have proper strategy, when you work hard, when you are having unwavering focus, then 100% you will have unprecedented result. So unprecedented result will be possible when there is unwavering focus. This is what I can recommend you for your 2025. Then 100% you can clear your prelims and mains.